Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the exact tablet formulation and dose. Read the label for active ingredient amounts and warnings. Take the first tablet with 8 oz of water and a light snack if stomach sensitivity is common for you. Once done, log baseline symptoms, current medications, and any allergies so you can track effects. This helps isolate reactions and explains why timing and food matter for absorption and tolerability. You now move into the middle phase. Follow the product's dosing schedule precisely and never exceed the stated maximum daily dose. Monitor and record how you feel at regular intervals. Note improvements, digestive changes, or headaches, because patterns reveal effectiveness and safety. Make sure to avoid alcohol and any known interacting medications while tablets are active. This reduces side effect risk and clarifies whether changes are due to the detox or something else. You finish by completing the recommended course unless you experience severe adverse effects. Adherence ensures the intended benefit and clearer assessment. After the final dose, compare your baseline notes to current symptoms to judge success and decide whether to repeat or stop. If you encounter persistent nausea, severe pain, or allergic signs, stop immediately, hydrate, and contact a healthcare professional. This single troubleshooting tip prevents escalation and explains why timely.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.